Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another video tutorial. Before we start, I just want to quickly apologize since I am a bit sick at the moment. My voice is a bit more nasally than usual. However, this should not detract too much from the actual tutorial, and it will be back to normal in a day or two. But yeah, what I'm going to be showing you guys or telling you guys in this tutorial is how you can show your FPS in your games via battle.net. So let's get right into it. Now, thankfully, battle.net designed their program to be quite user-friendly. And just to mention, I know this works for Diablo 4. I don't know if it works for any other games. It should. However, if it does not, please search for other solutions on the internet. However, to actually enable your FPS to show, and it will show as a counter on the either top left or top right of your screen. It will show your frames per second, which means how fast your game is going. And the actual way to show this when you're in a game, when you're, for example, in Diablo 4, is to just pretty much click Control plus R. The control button is, of course, the button on the bottom left of your keyboard, and the R button is, of course, the R button. You shouldn't have any difficulties with that. If you click it during any point of you playing the game, it should start showing the actual the frames counter, and once it does, you can just click Control R again and it will go away, and that is pretty much it. If it works for other games, please let me know. I know it works for Diablo, however, it should work for every one of them. And that is pretty much it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you guys in another video.